thank God. I knew comics were there on this call, so they would wear black. I just knew it.
Oh.
I just knew.
What is this new stereotype?
I didn't know we had this
Hearing-
thing.
Yeah. It's a pure coincidence.
Yeah, man.
No, suddenly I'm conscious. Very.
Yeah. I was just going to change and then I decided not to, and now I regret it.
That's like black.
Yeah. So first I'll introduce myself. I am Parag Gupta. I am from Green Club, Vijayawada. We are here for episode 3 of quizzing. So quizzing with comics. So today we have Bhavneet, Tarang and Bindu with us. So Bhavneet is from Hyderabad Circle, Tarang is from Pune and Bindu is from Bangalore.
Yeah.
All
Yes.
excited.
Clash of the IT cities.
Yeah. Oh yes. So it goes Hyderabad versus Pune versus Bangalore. So this is episode 3. So it's very basic quiz. We'll have different rounds with different topics. Direct question gives 20 marks. Past question gives 10 marks. There's no negative points.
Okay,
Alright.
cool.
Yeah. In case of any issues, moderator will decide the points.
You are the moderator,
Yes.
Very
I'm the moderator.
referring to yourself in third person.
Yes. And please do not use any kind of Google or YouTube or any third person around you. We'll have a fair quiz. So first round, since all comics are here, so the first round is about the comedians and the bits. So here I'll be showing the name of the YouTube bits by different comics. You'll have to identify who the comic is.
Okay.
And for me, in the order, Bhavneet is at first, Tarang is at second, Bindu is at third. So we'll go in the same cyclic order. So the first question is to Bhavneet.
Okay.
Whose YouTube video is titled Indians and NRIs?
Indians and NRIs. Oh shit, ये पता है मेरे को. Indians and NRIs. Is it Vipul Goyal?
No, wrong answer. Pass on to
Oh
Tarang.
shit.
I think this is like one of the very first Kenny Sebastian videos, like very old Kenny videos.
Good try, but that's wrong again. Pass on to Bindu.
Oh damn it!
Atul Khatri.
Atul Khatri is wrong too. So the first question, none of you could guess. The answer is Kanish Surka.
Oh shit!
damn.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It was a
Couldn't
Netflix
guess.
special which got into YouTube. Yes. So second direct question now to Tarang.
Cool.
How Indian families choose a restaurant?
Oh, this is Kenny. This was one of his first bit.
Okay, Tarang very confidently giving a wrong answer. Now pass on to Bindu.
What?
Naveen Richard.
Naveen Richard is not even close. Pass on to Bhavneet.
How Indian families choose a restaurant.
It's supposed to be Kenny, no? That was him. No?
Yeah. Yeah.
The manager bit is there in it.
But I think that bit was not titled this one.
How Indian families choose at a restaurant.
Oh yeah, it's
Okay, I'll
probably
go.
like Atul Khatri. Sorry, go on.
Atul Khatri.
No, it's not even Atul Khatri.
Damn.
It is Amit Tandon.
Oh shit. I see a theme. It's Netflix. Okay, I'll keep
Yeah.
that in mind.
Yeah. Also recent Netflix.
Very rich.
This may be a deception too. Now the third direct question goes to Bindu. Breakup and MBA.
Oh, this I know. Damn it.
I have to know this one.
Tarang is confident like he was confident in his question.
Rahul Subramaniam.
Rahul Subramaniam. Yeah. The first right answer of this round, and Bindu gets 20
Wow.
points.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Now next
So,
direct question to
there's a lot
Bhavneet.
of pressure on me because I was a quizzer before this
Oh,
in school and college.
Oh.
I didn't know
Oh
this.
shit, you're
I
fighting
had
for
to-
sweet cred now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now direct question again back to Bhavneet.
ठीक है.
Dad savings or milk?
I have no clue. Is this Jasprit?
Jasprit Singh,
Is it Jasprit Singh?
you are guessing this one is right.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Tukka lag gaya, should I
I
say?
went with dad.
Tukka lag
I
gaya.
went with dad. I'm like, he talks
Oh.
about his family, so it might be.
I also felt like it was Jasprit.
So
Yes.
Bhavneet opens his account as well. So 20 points to Bhavneet. Yeah. Now next direct question to Tarang. Uber driver and grandmother.
Oh
I
man,
know this.
I know.
such diverse topic.
The other two knows this.
Uber driver and grandmother. Is it Sapan? Sapan Verma? He had an.
Yeah, he had a bit on Uber, but this was not the title, so that's the wrong. Pass on to Bindu.
Uruj Ashfaq.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes!
Bindu is on fire. Bindu gets 10 points for the first question.
It's a
Oh
Mumbai.
shit! I thought the
Come
answer
on.
was Biswa.
Oh, okay.
No!
But this is Uruj. Now
Yeah.
a direct question to Bindu.
Okay.
Relationships, clubbing and cocktails.
Prashasti Singh.
Prashasti Singh, I think she does not have it on cocktails, so it's a wrong answer. Pass on to Bhavneet.
Okay.
Is it Aishwarya Mohan Raj? Because she recently put out a video with her.
I never said it's a recently put out videos. I said it's YouTube videos. Aishwarya is the wrong
that is-
answer though.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Yeah,
Clubbing
Tarang.
and cocktails. Who has a bit on cocktails? Hmm. Is it Anshu Mole?
Anshu More.
No.
I didn't say yes or no.
I saw your expression. I was enough. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna say Saurav Mehta.
You're all close because you said comics and artists, and the answer is Akash Gupta.
Oh,
Yes.
damn.
So that's the end of round one. And anyone would like to guess who is the leading in round one?
Hey, we don't need to guess. Okay, we're not that
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
It's very simple. Okay, so far at least.
Only Tarang is at number one, is it?
Absolutely.
I haven't
Yeah,
gotten any correct answer, and it's the comedy-based round, so I need to reevaluate my life choices.
Yeah, so Bindu is leading with 30 points, followed by Bhavneet at 20, and Tarang is yet to open his account.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So let's move on to round two. Yes. So this is a random round, wherein I'll ask random questions. I'll take answers from all three of you.
Okay.
The closest gets 20 points. The second closest gets 10 points. And third closest gets respect to maintain social distance with the right answer.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So the first
I
question.
think I already have a lot of respect to maintain social distance till now.
Let's see if you break the chain. Yeah, so the first question. By road, as per the Google Maps, what is the distance between Novotel in Vijayawada and Novotel in Delhi? This question is purely put so that we can ask sponsor from Novotel for the next round.
Who's answering? Anyone can answer.
Yeah, anyone can answer.
Okay, my answer is 2,800 kilometers.
Okay, Bhavneet gives 2,800.
I think it will be around 1900.
1,900 by Bindu.
1900.
Tarang?
These people seem really confident about the 2000 marks. Yeah, around like 2100. I'm saying 2100.
Oh, so Tarang is at playing safe. He'll get 10 points
Smart.
for sure. Okay, so the right answer is 1842 kilometers. So Bindu was very close.
Oh,
Yay!
So Bindu gets 20, Tarang gets 10, And Bhavnit started getting respect for being social distant on this.
That's वही तो चाहिए यार लाइफ में.
Now, next question on this. The total number of stairs to level 160 of Burj Khalifa.
Can we use a calculator? Is that allowed?
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, you can use calculator, but not
I have
Google.
a follow-up question. Why are there stairs in Burj Khalifa? That's a bigger question.
Just in case the lift stops working. That's an emergency exit.
They won't go up. That's the answer.
Bhavnit is calculating 20 stairs per floor into 160. So that's 3200, is it?
3,200. That's
See, I knew your logic.
Man, this telepathy shit is.
we stay close by, right? I'm in Vijayawada, you're in Hyderabad, so it connects much easier.
That's what I figured when I answered the previous question. Hey, look at me.
I'll say 800.
Bindu is saying
I'm taking
800. Okay. Tarang?
I think it'll be higher, man. I think it'll be like 5,000.
5,000. I don't know how Bindu said 800. It's like 5 stairs per level. Okay, I'm revealing
Really
the
big
answer
stairs.
now. Oh, it's like mountain climbing. So the answer is 2909 stairs.
Yes.
So Bhavnit is the closest this time. So Bhavnit gets 20. Yeah.
Second is Tarang, and
Yes.
I'm last on this one.
Yes, just because of nine stairs. That was the difference.
Oh,
Tarang
so
got
close.
10.
Different enough, but it isn't, is it?
Yeah. Now the third question in this round. The total seating capacity of the Royal Opera House, Bombay.
295.
295 by Bindu.
850.
850 by Bhavnit. Suddenly I get a feeling of auction sometimes when there's an increasing number by all the three.
850 going once. 500. I'm going to say 500.
Tarang is at 500.
Some strategy Tarang has. I'm noticing.
Yeah,
I
he's
am
going in
playing it
center, so
safe.
I get 10 points every time.
Yeah, that's smart. That is
And-
smart.
And you might have noticed he's answering last. Once Bhavnit and Bindu answers, then Tarang is coming up with a center number.
I just, I'm a thinky person. What can I say?
Okay. This time Tarang got the closest. The answer is 575 seats.
Oh,
Yes. So Tarang got 20 points for this, followed by Bindu is at second. She gets 10 points, and Bhavnit gets 0.
Respect. Hey, man.
Yeah,
respect.
sorry. Yeah,
Don't
Bhavnit,
downgrade me to
respect.
Thanks.
Yeah. So that's the end of round 2. And at the end of round 2, the points are Bhavnit and Tarang have got and the same level at 40 points each. And
Oh,
Bindu
no.
got at 60.
yay!
He's leading with 60, yes. So now let's move on to round 3. So I'll show a part of a personality. You'll have to identify who the personality is.
Shit, I'm going to get no points in this round. मेरे को नाम और शक्ल ऐसा मैच करना नहीं आता. Like शाहरुख, सलमान, आमिर खान, I learnt in 12th class.
Oh my god.
So I am so. Oh, ठीक है, करो.
And this is the first question to Bhavnit.
Oh, I know.
It's Mehta, no?
Okay.
Which Mehta? Saurabh Mehta?
आकाश Mehta.
हाँ, तो ऐसा पूरा बोलो. Yeah, you are right.
This
You
is Akash.
got the
This
first
is
one right.
Akash. Yes. बहुत
Yeah.
luck.
Damn it.
Nice.
The round you are not confident, you got the first one right.
Holy shit.
He's ahead of me now.
Oh yes. Second question to Tarang now.
Cool. Oh, that's Akash. Oh, no, wait.
Huh? That was Akash.
I was like, that's pretty easy, man. This is Karunesh Talwar.
Karunesh Talwar is the wrong answer.
What?
Yeah, I pass on to Bindu.
Arnab Goswami.
Yeah, Arnab Goswami is the right answer.
Ah,
Bindu
Hey,
gets
what
10 on
Tarang?
this.
uh,
Whenever Tarang loses, he gives the wrong answer, Bindu gets it. So Bhavnit is like, Tarang, please don't give wrong answers now.
I thought it was a comedian theme, so I just went with Karunesh Tarang.
Now, next direct question to Bindu.
Arvind Kejriwal.
It's the right answer. Arvind Kejriwal it is. 20 points to
Yay.
Bindu on this.
At this point, I'm not even competing with Bindu. I'm just going for Bhavni.
Bhavnit.
My hopes have died.
No, there are rounds further wherein you can cover up. So now the next question to Bhavnit.
Who is this dude, man?
So also like this.
Stop staring at me. कौन है ये? White hair. What?
Okay.
I have no idea who this dude. Bindu, you know.
Yeah.
You're not
think
even
I
asking
was-
Tarang.
Knows.
Hey, hello.
Just take it. Sorry. Tarang, तेरे को पता है.
I know. I have a guess.
Arey, this
be
guy is acted in Telugu movies also, yeah.
Oh shit. Then
So she
no
gave a hint
idea
that he's
what
an
is
actor.
happening.
Like think about it. He has white hair, so probably mid-50s.
Hey, don't give him hints, okay?
I can't catch these. Trust me. उसको पता है बिंदु को. I am clueless इसलिए बता रही है. What? Is it Sonu Sood? I don't know, man.
Sonu Sood is the wrong answer. Pass on to
That's
Tarang.
my
Six
head.
pack and all, yeah.
It's my turn.
Tarang, you had a guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it Shashi Tharoor?
Shashi Tharoor. No, man. He's not Shashi Tharoor at all.
My
Passes on to Bindu gave a hint that he's an actor. Okay, pass on to Bindu now.
Boman Irani.
Yeah, you are right. Bindu is
What?
right always.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
What the hell? If you
Yeah.
have given me 3 hours, I wouldn't figure this out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
Now, next direct question to Tarang.
Cool.
Yeah. This is easy.
So simple.
Oh,
Hey,
this is
man.
Circuit. What's his name?
Circuit.
Come on, man. This is a
Munna bhai
cricket
Circuit.
question.
Circuit
He's a
is Arshad
cricket
Varsi.
Come on,
Oh,
man.
is
It's
it
a
Anil
cricket
Kumble?
question.
Anil Kumble? No, it's
What?
not Anil Kumble. Passes on to Bindu.
Hey, what ya Tarang?
I don't know, man. It looks
Mahendra
like
Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra
Mahendra
Singh
Singh
Dhoni is the right answer.
Come on.
10 points to Bindu. Bindu, now you'll have to give a couple of wrong answers, else it will be like I have passed on the entire question paper to you.
Hey, have you?
The problem
No.
is that
No.
he's going niche.
That's the reason I'm saying upfront. Now next,
Do an RTI probe.
now next direct question to Bindu.
Okay, this is Tata, but is it JRD Tata?
You were close, but this is the wrong answer for the first time. Passes on to Bhavnit.
Ratan bhai.
Yeah, Ratan Bhai gets points for Bhavnit.
She like
Bhavnit gets
handed
10
it to
points
him
on
in
I
a
this.
just knew.
platter.
I just knew it was a Tata.
You eliminated all the
Other
wrong answers.
industrialists, other options, yes. So by this we
Wow.
end third round as well. So should I reveal points at the end of this third round?
No, actually, it's okay.
Yeah, I knew Tarang would say this.
Yeah, I will opt for that.
However, I'll say Bhavnit is at 70, Tarang is at 40, and Bindu has just completed her century. She is at 100.
Yay!
Whoa.
The first century.
Yay.
Nice.
So now we'll move on to round 4. This is riddles, different kinds of riddles. In this round, there is a twist. You can be a gambler. Before the question, you can say if you want to gamble. So if you give a right answer, you'll get 40 points. But if the wrong answer, it's minus 20.
Oh.
But the pass on will get
Oh.
only plus 10 or 0. It's only for the
Before
direct
seeing
question.
the question,
Yes. Now the first question to Bhavneet. Bhavneet, do you want to gamble?
So if I gamble and if I give the wrong answer, it's minus 20.
Yes.
No, I won't gamble.
Okay, playing safe. The first question to Bhavneet. I am hot, but will become too cold if you remove first 2 letters. What am I?
T.
T.
T, yeah.
The first 2 letters are removed, so it becomes A. How is A too cold? It's
I
the
know
wrong
T.
answer.
T. Chai.
Chai. If you remove
I'm
the first
hot.
2 letters, you're
Wait,
concentrating only
let
on the
me
first
read.
3 words, is it?
Yeah. I am hot,
There's so many other things which are hot.
but it become too cool if you remove the first 2 letters. What am I? I guess I'm the wrong answer. What is it? I don't know.
Okay, pass on to Tarang.
oh man. I think
Tarang was
it
like,
has
मेरे
to
तक
be
नहीं आए
something-
तो ये अच्छा है.
I'm thinking like rice or like something that has ice at the end of it.
Maybe you're on the right
Sounds
approach.
smart. Very cool.
There's no word there like that. Price?
How is price too hot?
Hey man, I know it. I just got it.
Damn it!
Should we pass on?
Yeah, pass it on.
Pass on to Bindu.
Pass. I don't know the answer.
Oh my god! Okay, now
Does that
Bhavneet,
mean-
what was your guess?
No, it's wrong. I just did the math. It cannot be fries. I'm
That's
so
not math,
sorry.
Bhavneet. It's just 3 letters.
The answer is spice, guys.
Spice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Oh,
Oh.
damn.
That
Tarang was on the
close.
right approach, but he didn't get the right word.
That was close.
Yes.
So
So
close.
now next direct question to Tarang. Tarang, do you want to gamble?
I'm a honorary respected man.
You are at 40 only, man. You'll directly jump to 80.
That sounds actually good. I would like to gamble. It's that
Yeah.
easy to convince me.
Yes.
That's also same way I'll die.
Yeah. So the next question to Tarang on his gamble.
Yes.
Which animal jumps higher than a building?
Don't have gamble. Jumps higher than a building. Is flying counts as jumping?
It's just an animal which jumps higher than a building.
Doesn't fly. Jumps higher than a building.
Yes.
Mm,
Okay, good. Bindu also does not know. This is
Even if you pass, you'll get minus 20. So better just give a guess.
Oh, I'll give a guess.
Yeah. Just read the question again. Which animal jumps higher than a building?
Oh, is it like a trick question? Is it like
Yes,
any
yes.
animal because buildings can't jump?
Oh my god. Yeah, that is the right answer. Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
What a question.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rules of buildings. Have you seen a building jump? How many have you?
Yeah. So Tarang
I-
is 40
I
on
I to
this.
say World Trade Center, but okay.
I was thinking like you can put any trampoline and tell any animal to jump and they can jump higher than the building.
But
Good
buildings
idea.
don't jump. Yeah.
A building.
If it came to me, I was
Point.
just like kangaroo.
Oh.
But it would still be the right answer.
Yeah. So Tarang gets 40 on this. So now next question to Bindu. Bindu, do you want to gamble?
Yeah, I'll gamble.
Yeah, she has a lot to lose.
It's only I have low self-confidence.
No. On your question also, I'll gain your confidence. So I shoot but never kill. What am I?
Camera.
Oh, that was that instance, and that's the right answer.
Yay!
40 points to Bindu.
Or like a shooter with really bad aim.
Oh,
Abhinav Bindra in his 60s.
I think still that wouldn't be wrong then. Now, next direct question to Bhavnit. Bhavnit, you are gambling, right?
Yeah, gamble, dude.
Whenever
Yeah,
they gamble, they got
points,
the right. Yes, so Bhavnit is gambling on his question. And it's
Peer
an easy
pressure.
one. I enter dry, get out wet. I bring warmth and joy. What am I?
What is easy about this? Which part? Like, the easiest part is losing 20 points right now.
Think on it.
Come on, man.
Bindu knows
But
it.
you guys know the answer.
I think I do.
Oh,
To be sure, like just checking,
Yes.
not put explicit answers, right? The very friendly.
No.
I'm just
No.
clearing it. Okay, fine. Is it like that dip chai?
Oh my god.
is
Think,
this
after
that-
thinking so much, you came up with this answer. Are you sure with it?
I don't have an option, man. I have to say something minus 20 anyway. Bring it on.
Oh, but that's the right answer, Bhavnit. You got it right.
oh, yeah.
It's a tea bag.
What?
Yeah. So Bhavnit
Going to go
gets
with
40
baby,
points
right?
as well. Now next that
40? Ah,
question.
shit, this is gamble.
Yes,
Nice.
you got 40. So all three of you get 40 each when you gambled.
Yes.
Now next
Love
direct question to
gambling.
Tarang. So Tarang, you are gambling too.
Oh man, I'm
Come
a sucker
on.
for gambling. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, love it.
Yeah. Yes. I shave every day, but my beard still remains the same. Who am I?
Have you put one of us in the answer? Because I've.
What?
I shave every day, but my beard still remains the same. Is it a sharpener? Because it shaves.
Sharpener shaves, but sharpener, does it have a beard? That's the question.
That's some sharpener. People
You have-
wax, but
you have
let's not
gambled
shave.
on this question.
It could be any guy who's just shaving, his chest hair and stuff like that.
Just a
His
minute.
beard still remains the same. A bald guy.
A bald guy.
Yeah, because he shaves his head every day, but his beard still remains the same.
Yeah, actually that's logical, but that's not is the right answer. So that's the wrong answer, I would say. Tarang gets minus 20 on this and passes on to Bindu.
I don't know. Cappuccino?
Cappuccino? I'm wondering the logic here.
Like, you have the coffee, but it's like still stuck in your beard. So that's what I was saying. I don't know.
Oh no, that's the wrong answer. But a good guess. Pass on to Bhavnit.
Okay.
Is it a barber?
Oh yeah, Bhavnit, that's the right
Oh,
answer.
nice.
It's a barber.
That was correct.
Yes.
Nice.
So Bhavnit gets 10 points because it's a pass question.
Hey, but Tarang gambled.
So that was only for Tarang.
I lost 20 points. Okay, don't
Yeah.
worry.
Okay.
मतलब खुद का फायदा हो नहीं दूसरे का नुकसान हो ठीक है.
Yeah, after my life.
So now last direct question to Bindu. So are you gambling on the question?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, being very safe. The last question of this round. What is correct to say? The yolk of the egg is white or the yolk of the egg are white? Oh, that's not F, that's egg.
I think the second option is right.
You mean the
Because
yolk of the egg are white?
Yeah.
And
Because
that's
yolk could be multiple in the egg.
okay.
So
So Bindu going with the second option, and that's the wrong
Yeah.
answer. Pass on to Bhavneet.
There are only two options.
Okay, Bhavneet, give your answer.
Okay, so both of them are wrong because the yolk of the egg is yellow.
Oh yeah, that's the right answer. Bhavneet
Wow.
is killing it now. Bhavneet gets another 10
The
points.
Riddler.
Wow.
Yeah.
Damn
So
it.
that's the end of this round.
Wow.
And at the end of this round, now do you want me to tell me the scores?
Yes.
Hey man, can you reduce my pain?
So Bhavneet has jumped all the way to 130. Yeah. Tarang is at 60. And Bindu is at
300 or something.
she's at 150, just 20 points ahead of Bhavneet. Yeah, you're catching up.
Nice.
Tarang, you can catch up too. There are rounds coming up for
Yeah.
you. The next round is roast. You all might know this very well. Each participant roasts the other person next to him or her. One clockwise round and one anti-clockwise round. You understood that?
We haven't even written anything.
Yeah, that's what it's meant to be.
So how much
How
time?
do you roast
How much time does
someone you don't know?
person get?
20 seconds. So Bhavneet starts. Just let me know when you are ready within next 10 seconds.
I am ready because when you don't know anything, you are ready.
Okay, start.
Hey man, Tarang, you're a nice guy. That's one
Hey,
sentence.
hey.
I won't consider that in roast.
Hey man.
That's a compliment.
Tarang's score right now is falling so low. Nirmala Sitharaman would be proud. it's
5, 4, 3.
fuck Pune. I don't know, man.
My God.
I don't know
I'm
the
a representative of Pune.
Bhavneet gets 10 points. Next,
Okay.
Tarang, your turn to roast
All
Bindu.
right.
Just let me know when you are ready.
I'm ready.
Yeah, okay, start.
So, Bindu, the only thing that I know is that your name is Bindu, and I hate bindi ki sabzi. Like, too bad. Have you seen that? That sabzi is it's bad, man. Have you seen it?
Okay, I'll consider that as one sentence. Next.
Yeah, alright, cool. Bindi ki sabzi is so bad that once I ate it and I don't know.
Time up.
once I ate it, that was the
That was roasting bhindi ki sabji then.
yeah, but it's close to Bindu. You get it? It's like a
I'll consider only one sentence. I'll give only 10 points. Now next,
No.
Bindu's turn to roast Bhavneet. Let me know when you are ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, start.
So Bhavneet is an RJ, and the best time I screwed it up. The only thing good about you is you have glasses. You don't have a personality. You don't have a personality. Your room has more personality than you.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Why did you steal Honey Singh's chain?
What?
Why aren't you acting in South Indian Telugu movies as a villain's background guy?
Time up. That's time up. I'll consider 3.
That's time up, man.
I didn't get the Honey Singh wala part.
Like I said, why are you wearing Honey Singh's chain?
oh, that's the earphone.
Earphones. Oh.
Oh,
For a moment, I was like, she's roasting me or Bhavneet. First the specs, then the earphones.
Oh. Just roasting any guy with specs.
I was told this was a quiz. Now I'm facing my demons
Yeah.
right here.
So Bindu gave 4 sentences in 20 seconds. She gets 40 points in this also.
Yay!
Okay, now it's the other way around. So Bhavneet, it's time to roast Bindu.
We're doing this again?
Yeah, the anti-clockwise also.
Yeah.
You get a
Oh,
turn
man.
you get a turn for revenge.
Okay, I have sweaty
Oh.
palms. Go for it. Go for it. Self-deprecating, go for it.
Cool, I'm ready.
Yeah, start.
Okay, start. ठीक है. So Bindu is a very mean person. She's very bad. Does that count?
Not yet.
I don't know, man. You're a BJP MLA because you want to win so hard. I don't know. Are you? That's like a pickup line. I don't even know what. I'm sorry. I give up. I can't do this.
Okay, I'll give you 10 points for attempting as well then.
Thanks, man.
I am a good moderator.
Yeah, and I'm a good person, if you've noticed.
Yes. Now Tarang's turn to roast Bhavneet.
All right.
Yeah.
Bhavneet, when you roasted Bindu, it was so bad. when you were, yeah, you said more than a crying baby in an airplane.
Oh my god.
Now
Hey, you
just
see
doing
the
an impression
irony?
if you got it. That's an impression.
Okay, last 5 seconds.
All right, I'm done.
Okay. So I'll give 10 points to Tarang then.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Now last Bindu's turn. Bindu, it's time to roast Tarang.
Okay.
Hey, all the best, Tarang.
Should I start?
Thanks.
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. Tarang seems like he's trapped in the office and the owner locked him out. He reminds me of that employee who steals office Wi-Fi for personal use.
Oh my god.
He reminds me of my current watchman. He reminds me of the migrant who walked to his hometown.
Time up.
So what I'm getting, Bindu, is that I have a very memorable face.
Reminding of an employee, reminding of a migrant labor as well as a watchman. So Bindu manages to get 40 points on every question, is it?
Yeah.
She has a target of 5 seconds, one roast.
Yeah, so recently I did a roast on YouTube. So I
yeah.
got, like, I was in the...
Now let's move on to the last round. Or before that, I'll just tell the scores. So Tarang is at 80, close to a century. Bhavneet
Alright.
is at 150.
Oh man.
And Bindu is at 230. She has crossed to 200.
Wow.
Now the last
I
round.
think
where
the
tables
sixth
can
round
turn.
should be called award ceremony.
Okay. But this is the round where the tables can turn. Tarang can come first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just need to see
So
those
that's why
tables.
the sixth
He
round
says
is
that
named.
before every round.
No, but this is the last resort.
Oh.
Yeah.
The tables, you haven't seen the tables yet, Bhav.
So the rules
Once
of
I
this
get to those
round.
tables.
Each question is plus 30 or minus 10. Even if it's pass or direct. And the one who is at the last gets to choose the topic. So Tarang, it's upon you on which topic should we go ahead with this round for. It's only one. We cannot go with all the three topics. We'll choose only one topic. And we'll ask questions only on that topic.
I'm going to say history.
Okay. So we're going ahead with history. The last round, plus 30, minus 10, direct or pass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pass is also minus 10.
Yes, plus 30, minus 10.
Great.
Who?
The first question to Bhavneet.
Right.
Charles Wilkins translated a well-known Indian mythology book to English. Name the book.
Mahabharat.
Mahabharat is a good guess, but that's the wrong answer. -10 to Bhavneet.
Oh,
Pass on to
who's
Taran.
it? Ramayana.
Ramayana is close to Mahabharat, but not close to the answer. Wrong answer again.
We're out of mythology.
-10 to Tarang. Now pass on to Bindu.
Is it Jungle Book?
Jungle Book, Indian mythology book. Oh no, that's the wrong answer completely. Should I give -20 for this?
Yeah.
-10 to
It won't
Bindu.
matter, man. You're too far ahead.
Right answer is Bhagavad Gita.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now next direct question to Tarang. Do or die is the famous slogan given by.
I think it's someone in the American Revolution, or is it Mahatma Gandhi?
No, it's Indian history.
Indian history. It's Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi is the right answer. Tarang gets 30 points for this. Yeah.
Nice.
Now, next direct question to Bindu. 26th January was celebrated as Independence Day in which year?
Somewhere later after 47.
That's a huge range.
Somewhere in 60s here. How about 67?
1967. That's the wrong
Yeah.
answer. Passes on to Bhavneet.
I'll just say 1950, and my logic is they merged Republic Day and Independence Day that year for the first Republic Day.
Oh, that's a good logic, but still, that's the wrong answer. Passes on to Tarang.
So I know it's a trick question because we celebrate Republic Day every year, but I think we celebrated it from 1951 to now.
No, but the question was, when was 26th January celebrated as Independence Day?
Independence Day.
Yeah, not Republic Day.
Man. Wow, I'm way far off. That must have been a major mistake. Oh, it would have been like 1948, I think.
Oh, you're all wrong. This was way before independence, actually. 1930.
Oh, right. Shit. This is the beginning of that movement. No.
Yes.
Civil disobedience movement or something.
Yes.
One of those.
So that's
Gandhiji
when,
like, hum azad hai. But
Haan.
Britishers were still, oh shit.
exactly.
They were like, "Hello, what? you can't just declare like this."
Yeah. So now next direct question to Bhavneet. In 1853, first telegraph line was opened. It was between Calcutta and
It has to be Bombay or Chennai because those were the only two options back then. 1853. I'll say Chennai.
Calcutta
Was
and
it
Chennai. That was not the right one. That's the wrong answer.
Okay.
Pass on to Tarang.
I'll say Bombay because it's Bombay.
Because it is Bombay. That's the wrong answer as well.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So Tarang gets -10. Agra is the right answer.
You are -10 now, by the way.
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when you read the score, your score reads -10
Okay.
because of this.
The moderator, it seems.
The moderator gets -10 points on this.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'll not share the screen. I'll directly ask the question. This is
ठीक है.
the easiest one. Now next direct question to Tarang.
Yes.
Who was the first to address Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation?
Is there options or just?
No, there are no options.
Oh, okay. I think it was some of his friends. I think.
On a drunk night. At 2
Maybe
a.m.
Rabindranath Tagore.
His friends.
I don't know, man.
Give a guess, man.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Oh, Rabindranath Tagore is the wrong answer. Passes on to Bindu.
Wasn't his friend, it seems.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru is close, but still the wrong answer. Minus 10 to Bindu. Passes on to Bhavneet.
It's not Modi ji. So.
Yeah, that's right. But still, I need the correct
Yeah.
name.
Yeah, man.
So, is it Vallabhbhai Patel?
Vallabhbhai Patel is again a close answer, but wrong answer. The right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Netaji.
Now, next direct question to Bindu. What are the total number of years taken to build the Taj Mahal?
18 years?
18 years is the wrong answer. Minus 10 to Bindu.
Oh.
Passes on to Bhavneet.
Like you have to be very precise, no?
Yeah, you'll have to be precise. Matlab, it's not like 0.5 or 0.4. It's
Yeah,
a
no,
whole
I
number.
get it.
It's a whole number.
So she died when he was young, and it was built when he was kind of old. So that's at least 20 somewhere, 25, 26, 27. I'll go with 26 years.
26 years. Are you sure with this number?
Yeah, what option do I have?
You're very close, but still the wrong answer. Passes on to Tarang.
27.
Are you sure with 27?
Hey, he was very close, so this is very close.
27 is wrong answer. Wrong answer.
Oh, damn it.
Correct is 22.
Oh.
Yeah. So now
This should have been in the distance category, man.
then it would have been.
Yeah, actually.
Moderator minus 10 again.
Oh no!
Minus
Why,
20
man?
now.
This is history question in the history round.
This is democracy. 3 people have said minus.
Yeah.
This is how India is being ruled.
Yes.
Now, next direct question to Bhavneet. Yeah? Huh.
Yes.
In which year did Salt Satyagraha take place?
1932.
You're giving answers very close as if every round is that random round. This is a wrong answer.
No, man. So I've studied history, so I roughly know when it happened. I can't remember the date.
Yeah,
Before independence, I would say.
Oh, yeah, before independence. Right answer, but still not worthy giving points.
1927.
1927 is again close, but a wrong answer. Pass on to Bindu. Everyone's getting minus 10s.
1930?
1930. Are you sure
Yeah.
with this guess?
Yeah.
Okay, then in that case, 1930 is the right answer.
Yeah.
Bindu gets 30 points for this.
It's that year. It's the year he began that revolution.
Yes. I thought you'll answer this because you could connect that time.
Yeah. I thought he must have waited 2 years and gone. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, I don't know. Back in that day, you weren't allowed to be chill.
Yeah, kabhi karega.
Now, next direct question to Tarang. Name at least 2 actors who played the role of Bhagat Singh in Bollywood.
Oh, easy question.
Easy question.
Bhagat Singh.
Yes. Like there's so many independence related movies. So
There's Amir Khan. One is Amir Khan.
Bhagat Singh.
He played Chandrasekhar Azad.
Yeah, he played Chandrasekhar, he played Mangal Pandey, but he never played Bhagat Singh.
I knew that. I don't know, Akshay Kumar.
Which movie, man? I didn't see the movie.
Hey, you said actors. Don't expect more information. I don't know, man. I haven't seen.
Hey,
a lot
can
of
it
movies.
pass the other way around, please?
Passes on to Bindu.
So, in Rang De Basanti, Siddharth as
Yes.
Bhagat Singh and Ajay Devgan as Bhagat Singh. Like there was
In the
this
movie,
summer
yes.
where only Bhagat Singh movies were releasing. So
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right. Apart from them, Bobby Deol was one. Sonu
Bobby
Sood.
Deol.
Yes. One last
Yeah,
question.
but see, Bobby Deol so forgettable. he did a movie about Bhagat Singh completely. You remember the one in Rang De Basant? The other things were happening.
Where he wasn't even actual Bhagat Singh. He was just
No,
Yeah. That was a flashback.
yeah.
So now last question that goes to Bindu. The last question of the quiz. MK Gandhi
Oh.
was first called as Mahatma by Mohandas
one of
Karamchand
his
Gandhi.
friends.
I've got no idea, man.
The friends were like, we're just gonna call you Mahatma from today.
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill is the wrong answer. Bhavneet. Yeah, pass on to Bhavneet first.
Sardar
Vallabhbhai Patel. You gave the same answer the last time. Last time you got it wrong.
Wait, this time I got it right.
This time also you got it wrong. So let me
Fuck,
just pass
it's
it on to Taran.
It's Nehru, man.
Alright, Nehru is my answer.
Are you sure? That might be a deception.
I have no reason to not believe him.
Think again.
It could be the same guy, Subhash Chandra Bose. Could be the same guy who also gave him Father of the Nation.
Oh, he
While
was so
doing
Really
fond of
obsessed
Gandhi
with
that he
Gandhi,
named
that
him.
guy. Yeah. Twice.
Yeah, that makes it more likely. No, he already called him Father of the Nation.
So what's your final guess? Or your
I'm
final
going with
answer?
Nehru.
You go with Nehru? And Nehru ji didn't get you a point. This answer matched with your last answer. So it's Rabindranath Tagore this time.
Oh.
That's the reason I
that
told would you like to
makes
guess
sense.
again. And with this question, Tarang loses all his points and comes back to 0.
What?
Yeah,
What?
every question you got minus 10, right? Oh, except one, wait.
Hey Tarang, the tables are clear now. They're not.
They clearly turned. I made the tables. I just turned them to the wrong side.
Shit.
Yeah, I only said the tables will turn. I never said which side.
They did turn.
Yeah.
But what's it with Bengalis calling Mahatma Gandhi shit, man? Both of them, they're like, तू ये कहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ नमक बनाने.
Maybe like Mahatma Gandhi didn't even know them and he heard news like, hey, sir, this guy said from tomorrow you're Mahatma. Like, oh, okay.
That's why he fucked off in 1930 immediately. Like, man, I have to go now.
अभी independence ला रहा है मैं.
No.
They keep changing my name all of a sudden.
So with this, we come to the end of the quiz, and the points are Tarang is at 40 because he gave one right. Then Bhavneet is at double of 40. He's at 80.
I was some 300 something. No, how did I get 80 now?
The last round, everything stood up.
You were at 150. So 40 double is 80, and Bindu is triple of 80. She's at 240.
She was at 240 only.
She was at 230. She got 2 right in this. So plus 60 and then minus 60 in that way.
This show should be called Disaster Strikes.
Oh my.
At the end, everything falls apart. Brought down to your knees.
Hey, tell your scores though. Nicely
Yeah.
you're sneaking away from that.
Quizmaster started at 200 points and he got minus 20
No,
in between.
no. Started
Why
at
did you get
0.
to?
Got 200. We couldn't reach 200 after 6 rounds.
That's where Quizmaster starts from.
No, you're minus 20.
Yeah,
Okay, I am
Bindu is
at
the
minus
clear
20.
winner.
So Tarang is at second last position. I am at the
Yes.
last position. Only to
Yes,
make you
yes,
feel
Tarang.
good.
Yes.
Congratulations, everyone. First, second, and third.
Woo. That was a whopping victory for Bindu.